How to find language settings on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find language settings on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. First open your browser and then click settings here. Click my profile and then click edit profile. And here we'll find language. Now click on it and select any language you want, and after that just click save and it will be saved. And I hope that can help you. It's easy. Now just go back, it's saved. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.